All right. Question number 4. Solution. So we are given that instantaneous current is equal to 80 sine 200 pi t. But we know that the general equation that combines or connects instantaneous current to peak current is this: 2 pi ft. All right, so if we are to compare the two equations, you notice that peak current is equal to 80 ampere. So peak current is equal to 80 ampere. But the question says we should find the root mean squared value of the current. Now I know this relationship, so it becomes much easier for me. That means root mean squared value is equal to the peak value, which is 80 ampere, 80 divided by root 2. So if I want to rationalize, I'll multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 2, so that I will get root mean squared value is equal to 40 root 2. Okay, so if you punch this, you will get 56.6 ampere. So option B is the correct option.